Want cinematic aerial footage, but don't know which drone to get? Here's the problem. Most people buy the wrong one and regret it. And with the FCC now banning future foreign drones in the US, some of these won't be available much longer. So today, top 5 drones you can still buy right now. Trust me, number 1 is a game changer. Let's get into it. 3 quick things before we start. 1. Drone over 250 grams? FAA registration required, just $5. 2. No obstacle sensors? Expect a crash. Always check before you buy. 3. Sweet spot is $200 to $500. You don't need to overspend. Now, let's get into the list. Number 5. This is the DJI Neo, a remarkably compact drone aimed at everyday creators. Let's see how it performs in various scenarios. A standout feature is the palm takeoff. You can launch it without a controller, making it incredibly fast to get in the air. It features full coverage propeller guards. This design choice increases safety, allowing you to fly close to subjects and navigate tight spaces with confidence. At just 135 grams, portability is excellent. It includes AI subject tracking, though it may occasionally lose focus on fast-moving targets in complex environments. You can pair it with DJI goggles for an FPV experience. It handles well, but the lack of obstacle avoidance sensors means you must fly carefully in dense areas. Automated quick shots are easily triggered via the smartphone app, providing simple, pre-programmed cinematic paths. Modes like Helix are convenient for solo operators. However, advanced users might find these automated options somewhat restrictive for custom framing. Smartphone control is an option for casual flights. While convenient, the touch interface lacks the tactile precision of a physical remote. When used with the RC motion controller, you gain access to tricks like a one-push 180-degree drift, adding a fun element to casual shoots. For traditionalists, it supports standard controllers. The image quality is adequate for social media, but it won't replace larger drones for professional dynamic range. Its size makes indoor flying a viable option, navigating structured environments smoothly. Ultimately, the DJI Neo is a highly accessible tool, though limited by its small sensor and lack of obstacle avoidance. So, what's the bottom line? Buy it if you want something quick, fun, and effortless for selfies and social media. Don't buy it if you want pro-level footage or serious control. And now, let's move on to number 4. Number 4. The DJI Avata 2. So, this one's different. This isn't your typical drone where you just stand there with a controller. This is the DJI Avata 2, an FPV drone designed to make immersive flying more accessible, paired with the new Goggles 3 and Motion 3 controller. The upgraded 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor improves low-light performance, though you may still notice minor noise in extremely dark urban environments. A practical addition is the AR cursor, letting you navigate menus easily. The Real View picture-in-picture mode keeps you aware of your surroundings. The O4 video transmission provides a highly stable feed, which is essential when navigating tight spaces like forests and coastal cliffs. One-push acrobatics simplify flips and rolls for beginners, but experienced pilots might prefer full manual control for their maneuvers. For creators, the 10-bit D-Log-M profile offers better color grading flexibility. Rock-steady stabilization keeps the fast-paced footage reliably smooth. Integrated propeller guards, combined with new downward and backward visual positioning, make indoor and low-altitude flights noticeably safer. Sharing the experience is easier with Wi-Fi live feed sharing to a smartphone. It records up to 4K 60 frames per second HDR. For those preferring traditional sticks, it supports the FPV Remote Controller 3. The 23-minute claimed flight time is an upgrade, but expect less during heavy use. The Avata 2 is a refined FPV option, offering approachability for newcomers and solid updates for current users. So, who is this actually for? Buy it if you want speed, immersion, and that FPV cinematic look you just can't get anywhere else. Don't buy it if you just want a simple, easy camera drone for basic shots. And now, number 3 is where things really get interesting. Number 3. The DJI Mini 4 Pro. So, this is where things start to feel serious. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, a remarkably compact quadcopter that aims to pack professional features into a travel-friendly form factor. The upgraded 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor delivers impressive 4K 60 frames per second HDR video. While the detail is excellent in good lighting, its small sensor size still has inherent physical limitations. However, the addition of 4K at 100 frames per second is a welcome upgrade. It allows for smooth, slow-motion capture, giving content creators more flexibility in post-production. For social media creators, the true vertical shooting feature physically rotates the camera, avoiding the resolution loss associated with digital cropping. It's a highly practical feature. Night video performance is noticeably better than its predecessor, though some noise is still present. The inclusion of a 10-bit D-Log-M profile provides a solid foundation for those who prefer to color grade their footage. Battery life remains strong, pushing around 30 minutes in real-world conditions, depending on environmental factors. Automated features like hyperlapse are easy to execute. The drone maintains stability well, even in moderate winds, making complex time-lapses accessible to beginners. DJI's 04 transmission system boasts an impressive maximum range. In practical use, this translates to a robust and reliable signal, reducing the anxiety of video dropouts during flight. Perhaps the most significant structural upgrade is the omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It reliably detects and bypasses obstacles, offering peace of mind, though it shouldn't replace careful piloting. Advanced software features like Waypoint Flight and Master Shots automate complex flight paths. These tools are excellent for achieving cinematic results quickly, though manual control remains essential for unique framing. The Active Track 360-degree system is highly intuitive. The ability to trace a path on the screen for the drone to follow around a moving subject is a standout capability for solo operators. The advanced Return to Home feature now uses augmented reality to display the flight path. It's a small but very useful detail that enhances overall flight safety. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro blurs the line between entry-level and professional drones. It commands a premium price, but the comprehensive feature set justifies the investment for serious creators. For Gadget Flow, this is a highly capable tool that delivers on its promises. So, let's keep it real for a second. Buy it if you want a perfect balance of portability, safety, and pro-level video in a small drone. Don't buy it if you want something ultra-cheap or full-on cinema-grade production. Up next, and honestly, this one surprised me. Number 2. The DJI Flip. Now, this is the one most people should actually buy. Let me explain. DJI is expanding its drone lineup with the DJI Flip, a compact and highly portable quadcopter designed specifically for creators on the move. Its unique foldable design features built-in full-coverage propeller guards, allowing for safe and intuitive palm takeoffs. And close-quarters flying, the AI subject tracking keeps you in frame, though the lack of obstacle avoidance means you'll need to be mindful of your surroundings. The camera is capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR, supported by DJI's robust 04 video transmission for a reliable live feed, even in challenging terrain. Weighing under 249 grams, it falls under many regulatory weight limits. The 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor performs adequately, delivering clean footage even as the light drops. To help with stability in varied conditions, the Flip utilizes a 3D infrared sensing system for accurate positioning and hovering, which is particularly useful in tight spaces. The enclosed propellers encourage close-range flying, allowing you to capture intimate family moments safely. It can also capture detailed 32-megapixel still photos to supplement your video work. For vloggers and action sports enthusiasts, you can record audio directly through the DJI Mic Mini, syncing high-quality sound with your aerial footage for a more immersive final product. While it offers impressive portability and ease of use, the enclosed props do limit its top speed and wind resistance compared to traditional open-propeller drones. Overall, the DJI Flip is an intriguing, highly portable option for content creators. So, at the end of the day, who is this actually for? Buy it if you want the best balance of price, portability, and high-quality video. Don't buy it if you need full professional features or heavy-duty production tools. And now, coming up next, this one is on a whole different level. Number 1. The DJI Air 3S. And yeah, this is where things get serious. This isn't just a drone anymore. This is a flying camera system. DJI has released the Air 3S, a dual-camera drone aimed at travel photographers and videographers. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Air 3S builds on its predecessor, offering enhanced camera specs and upgraded obstacle sensing. We took it on a road trip to test its capabilities. The build quality remains solid, though it's still not as compact as the Mini series. One of the standout features is the upgraded 1-inch CMOS primary camera. It captures impressive detail, especially in well-lit conditions. The addition of 10-bit D-Log-M offers more flexibility in post-production. However, low-light performance, while improved, still shows some noise. For action shots, we tested the new ActiveTrack 360. It's designed to keep subjects in frame, even in complex environments. The omnidirectional vision sensing system works well, navigating through trees with relative ease, but we still recommend caution in dense areas. Both cameras can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, providing smooth footage. The dual camera setup is useful, but switching isn't always seamless. DJI claims 14 stops of dynamic range. In our tests, it handles high contrast scenes decently, preserving details in both highlights and shadows. A significant update is the forward-facing LiDAR, enhancing nighttime obstacle sensing. The next-gen Smart Return to Home is also more precise, a welcome safety feature. The controller ergonomics are familiar. Battery life is solid, giving you ample time to get the shots you need without feeling rushed. The free panorama feature is a nice addition, stitching detailed wide shots together, though it can occasionally struggle with moving subjects. Overall, the DJI Air 3S is a highly capable drone. It offers a great balance of features and image quality, making it a strong contender. It's not a complete overhaul, but the iterative updates, particularly in the camera and sensing departments, make it a reliable choice for creators. If you're upgrading from an older model, it's definitely worth considering. Stay tuned to Gadget Flow for more in-depth reviews. So, honestly, should you spend your money on this? Buy it if you want professional-level footage, flexibility, and the best overall drone experience right now. Don't buy it if you just need something simple for casual flying. So those are the top 5 drones worth your money right now. Links to everything are in the description below. If this video helped you out, drop a like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and tell me in the comments which one you're going for. I'll see you in the next one.